There are a lot of things that make this Ampace portable power station better than a lot of the other portable power stations that I have tried. This was sent to me so I could test it out. I'm really impressed with it. I've tried a bunch of different portable power stations, and the thing that sets this apart, for one, the display, fantastic. The overall design, it's got some cool LEDs. I've not seen this on any other portable power station. It's not necessary, but it is cool. I like that the power supply is built in, so you just plug in the cable here. If you want to do solar charging, you plug that in here. I have this set up in my shed, so it's always charging via solar. It does a great job that way. And one of the cooler things about this is that it does come with a smartphone app, so you can connect either via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So let me go ahead and show you that and show you some of these features close up. It does come with this pouch to carry your cables in. So you get this car charging cable and then the main cable for the unit. The side has your cooling fans. And let's have a look at the main unit. So you do have 3 outputs for DC. You got your car socket and then your 2 barrel plugs. You got 2 AC outlets, and you got 2 USB-C ports. One is 100 watts and the other is 60 watts. So this is good enough for charging a laptop. You got 18 watts for your other USB ports. Let's go ahead and turn this on. So here we're at 62% capacity, and it shows the input and the output. These LEDs are a really nice touch. I've never seen this on a portable power station before. So let's plug in this power cable. So we can see the input here, just over 300 watts, and it should be fully charged in about 42 minutes. The fans have turned on. You got an icon showing that the fans are on. They're relatively quiet. That's really nice. Got kind of a flashlight up here, so I can press that. Press again to make brighter. Press again to make blinky. Press again for an SOS signal, and again to turn it off. So let's go ahead and plug in some lights so I can show you how the output looks. We want to press the button to turn on AC output. My lights are at 100%, and you can see it is using 46 watts of power. As I turn the lights down, you can see we'll go down to about 50%. Moves it down to 19 watts of power, go all the way to 1% and practically 0. So we have to get up to about around 30% just to get a reading here. Anything below that and it starts reading as 0. It's nice that it shows you we're at 60 Hertz. Overall, the display on this, fantastic, really nice. I just installed the Ampace app. Let's go ahead and open this. All right, let's go ahead and add a device. Scanning via Bluetooth. Found that nice and quick. That is impressive. It shows the pin code on the portable power station. Let's go ahead and pair. All right, now it shows we are connected via Bluetooth and via Wi-Fi. So I can access this remotely. We can turn the AC on and off via the app. DC, we can do the same thing, turn that on and off. Shows what our AC input is, our DC input. So if we got this solar charging, we'll do that in just a bit. We can turn the LED on and off. We can put this into sleep mode. We can power this off. It is now off. We're not going to be able to power it on because it is no longer connected. Let's go ahead and turn this back on. Also has the temperature. Let's go to settings. We can give this a name. We can change the LEDs on top. I actually like how it is, so I'm going to keep it like that. You can turn A boost on or off. Now I'm going to assume this means we can charge it faster. Let's press OK and let's check this out. So I'm plugging this in now. Before it was saying about 40 minutes to charge. Now it is saying 38, which is about the same, so I'm not really sure what that A boost was. Also, it is curious that it is not reporting any charging on the app currently. We can also set the battery range. So say we never want to allow this to go to 0%, or say we never want to charge this all the way to 100%. We can change that there, so we can set the ranges so that it prevents it from charging all the way or discharging all the way. We can set an auto timeout from 2 hours all the way up to 24. And we can also set a screen timeout from 1 minute to 30 minutes. And it looks like there is a firmware upgrade available. Maybe this will fix some of the issues I've been seeing. Let's go ahead and do that. It looks like we do have to unplug it from power to do a firmware upgrade. That's kind of interesting. Let's go ahead and try this again. All right, the upgrade just finished. Let's go ahead and power this off. Turn this on again so we can connect. All right, we are back in business. So let's plug this in again and see if it shows us what is actually going on. And indeed it does. So it looks like the firmware upgrade fixed that. So we got the AC input. We can see how fast it is charging. So with this being 600 watts, that means it does a really good job charging kind of your lower wattage devices like computers, tablets, smartphones, things like that. When you get to the appliance area though, that's where it starts to not work. So a refrigerator, a microwave, probably not going to work. A fan, yes. I hooked this up to my swamp cooler and it worked on all of the speeds. So if we had an emergency where the power shut down or something like that, I could use this to power our swamp cooler so we wouldn't die of heat. It would keep our house cool. That's really nice. I also really like this for convenience. Just this weekend, we had a family reunion. I took some bounce houses. I used this to power the fan for the bounce house, and it kept it powered for quite a while. This is great for home projects as well. If you need to turn off the circuit breaker, but you still need a light, you can use something like this. Or if you go camping or have an RV, especially if you have a solar panel, this is just fantastic. This really is one of the best portable power stations I've seen in the 600 watt range. This is definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.